Greetings to everyone. Are you guys interested in CA CMA professions? So you are at the very right place. Let me introduce you guys to the Gopal Das, vertical head of Tapasya Junior College, Kachiguda.
Hello everyone, this is Gopal Das here. So see, many students having some doubt regarding the CA and CMA courses here. So here we are going to give all the clarity about the CA and CMA courses.
Here I am to ask him few questions and a bit of rapid fire. So it's going to be a very interesting session here. So here you go, sir, with the first question. Can you explain what is integrated courses with CA CMA?
In Tapasya, we are offering integrated courses. Like here, okay, we are going MEC plus CA and CMA. The students who are coming here for CA, they have to start with the journey from first year. We'll take intermediate admission either into the CEC or MEC, and then along with the intermediate, we are going to offer CA and CMA coaching also. So this program is designed for the students who want to pursue professional courses like CA, CMA, along with the intermediate education here. So instead of studying these two separate subjectly, we have made this course integrated here so that okay, you can learn intermediate along with the CA and CMA.
So sir, how is CA and CMA is structured in Tapasya?
We both both CA and CMA follow structured pathway here. For CA, we have three level here: foundation level, intermediate level, and final level. In between, we have articleship also. Similarly, for CMA also we have foundation, intermediate, and final. So these courses are designed in our institute by the experts and with the help of faculties here, so that we are trying to make sure students should not have any difficulty when they are learning intermediate plus CA and CMA courses.
So this is very helpful for the students here. So it's very helpful. You guys can achieve CA and CMA here with very easily and very good guidance under our teachers. So sir, what subjects are covered in CA and CMA?
See, we have some common subjects that are there at professional level like CA and CMA plus intermediate here. Like we have this common subject: accounting, law, economics, mathematics. Law anyway it is not there at the CEC, MEC level here, but whatever the courses like accounting and economics and QA that we have, mathematics we call here. So these students okay will be learning this common subject at the intermediate level. So we have designed a complete courses in this way here. So at the foundation level, students will have subject like accounting, business law, economics, mathematics, and statistics here. The important point is that many of these subjects are directly connected with the intermediate that you are going to read in your CEC and MEC.
Okay, sir. So this is very helpful for the students who are studying IP also.
Yes.
So this is the next question related to IP, sir.
Yes.
So how does this integrated courses help in IP, which is intermediate?
See, as I said to you, these subjects like accounting, economics, mathematics are common for both CA, CMA as well as intermediate here. So इसीलिए students who prepare for CA and CMA, their intermediate concept becomes stronger because we are covering these common subjects at the CA level also. They have these subjects at the intermediate level also here. इसीलिए the students okay prepare well. They become very stronger, they perform better in the IP exams because here okay we have both the faculties at the professional level here, your intermediate faculties also and our CA faculties also. There is no duplication of effort here because we have our team, they have made the schedule in such a way that the syllabus of CA, CMA and intermediate should not get clash here. So it's a smart study approach with no extra burden on the students here.
So yes, sir, Tapasya is genuinely very smart.
Exactly.
So sir, like how do students manage the syllabus across CA and CMA?
See, what we have did is like we divided the entire CA and CMA foundation course into two ways. 40% of the subject will be covering in the first year and 60% of the subject will be covering in the second year. Apart from this, once the students write on the IP exams, we'll also conduct revision classes for 40 to 45 days here. So when they are attending these revision classes of 40 to 45 days here, they'll have more confidence over the exams here. And during this revision classes here that will conduct after IP, students they will be writing the test also. It will boost up the confidence here. So easily we have divided the syllabus. 40% will cover in the first year along with the first year intermediate, and 60% will cover in the second year. So step by step learning will be there here. Better retention of concepts will be there for the students here.
Okay, sir. So like how do, like we are clear about like CA and CMA, how does it is integrated to IP, and like how do students get support in IP after exams?
See, as I said, you students, okay, when they're writing the second year, in the first year, we are covering just 40%. Second year, will cover 60%. After this, okay, they'll focus more on the intermediate exam year. Once they complete the intermediate exam year, then they have exam in the month of May. So, mid of the March and April will take this 40 to 45 days of time here to give revision classes for the students here. Why revision classes? Because whatever the syllabus we have covered in the first year 40% and second year in the 60%, again we'll revise this thoroughly so the student, okay, should get confidence. And when they are going for the exam here, with these revision classes here, they will full of confident, and whatever they are going to write down, like whatever they're asking in the exams here, already will be practicing on all these questions in the revision classes here. So it will boost up the students. So these 40 to 45 days of revision classes, it is very critical for learning CA and CMA foundation exams.
So students who are interested in CA and CMA, please boost up yourself and prepare for the exams. Here you go with the next question, sir.
Yes.
How do you prepare students for the exam?
See, apart from the classes, we also conduct the weekly test here. Every Saturday, we'll conduct the weekly test here. So, whatever the portions that we are covering from Monday to Friday, that will be tested on a Sunday. And that will be tested on Saturday. So, again, the students will also test whether they are understanding the concepts or not here. And during the test, we will also analyze if any students are weak or if they are not in a position to like secure good marks here. We'll discuss with the students also. We'll try to understand what is the problem they're having here. So, easily when we are conducting weekly test, we'll also analyze about the students here, how good they are at the learning phase here. So, if required, we'll give some extra focus on the students here. If required, okay, we'll give some extra classes to the students here. So easily we'll conduct weekly test here, and based on with this weekly test will be conducted based on the ICA and ICMA standards only, nothing but the same pattern we are going to follow, which they'll have in the CA and CMA final examination here.
Okay. So, sir, no student is gonna get spared from the exams.
Exactly, everyone has to write on this exam.
Yeah.
It will test their knowledge actually.
Yes, so it's like get a real exam experience in the tapasya.
Yes, exactly. See, we want to give them the real experience here so that they'll have practical exposure to the exams here, and we'll also frame the questions in such a way that these questions will be useful for both intermediate also as well as C and CMA courses also.
Okay, sir. So it's very clear about how to prepare for the exam and what is the strategy to the exams. So now it's like, what about your results and the track report?
See, we are proud to say that we have produced rankers at all the levels of CA, CMA. So see, Tapasya is not a new college. We know about this brand here. Every year, okay, we have given the good results here. So our pass percentage is consistently higher than the all India average here. Whatever the percentage we are having here, every year, okay, we are getting good percentage in a CA and CMA exams here. This reflects the quality of teaching, planning and student support at the Tapasya.
So, okay, sir. So we are clear about exams, results and like every other stuff out here. So now let us just come to the point, like who designs and manages the integrated program here?
Designing this program is very much important here. Why? Because when we are having these classes, we have this in the mind here that students should learn intermediate and these professional courses at a very good level here without having any clash between the IP syllabus and IP classes and professional classes here. So, easily we have a team of expert faculty and academic planners who design this curriculum, ensure balance between the IP and the CA CMA exams here, continuously monitor the students' progress. The focus is always on the clarity, consistency and results here. Because we will make sure that students should not get clash between the IP classes and CA CMA classes here.
Okay, sir. So now like everyone out here is very clear about the exams, results and like how you guys gonna get prepared for and what will be the strategy in the Tapasya college. Now let us just get into the main question. Is like, what are the career opportunities after CA and CMA?
See, many students, okay, they think that chartered accountants or the commerce course is not so important here. See, ultimately in the whole world, the world goes with the business here, and every business require these courses like this profession like CA and CMA. So we have plenty of opportunities in the world here, and of course in India, okay, when you are going for these courses here, you will have more and more demand here. So market currently they require more chartered accountants, whereas practically we have less chartered accountants here. So with respect to the career, we have very good career when you are going for the commerce courses here, we have good opportunity of becoming a CA, of becoming cost or accountant, financial analyst, auditor, corporate financial professionals here. So these are highly respected and highly paying careers. So career wise here, we have a very good opportunity here, and this course gives plenty of opportunity in the hands of the students here once they complete their CA. So as the name only suggests, CA, people, okay, everyone give a kind of different respect when you are becoming a CA or CMA.
Okay, sir. So, like, it is from my experience, I feel that people are like more in demand and more interested in science and engineering and all. And when I'm also a student in Tapasya College, and I'm studying BCom, so it's basically a commerce like I have a commerce background. So here, whenever I go and like I introduce myself, like what I'm studying and all, and they're like, commerce kar rahe for what? Like, guys, please, like, we have plenty of opportunities. Whatever you're doing, we have opportunities. Like, don't degrade yourself for choosing any career option.
See, people thinks that commerce is not equivalent to the science here. Let me clarify one thing here. See, even if you are a doctor, you will have a hospital.
Yes.
Hospital also is a kind of business nowadays here.
Yeah.
They require accountant compulsory.
Yes.
They require auditors. They require cost accountant. So who will be managing their business here?
Of course,
a chartered accountant.
Yes, sir.
If you are becoming engineer or if you are working in the IIT, again behind the IIT we have these professionals who are keeping the complete track record of this IIT students.
So, no, sir. Actually, the thing is, like, people only think that like this stuff is like anyone can manage, but it's not like that. We need a very good guidance under that, how to manage like finances, auditing, GST, and everything. Like, you need an expert. So here in Tapasya, we produce you, like, we make experts here.
Yes. See, in Tapasya, okay, we have a team of professionals who make sure that students, okay, should get the quality education here, and till they are completing the CA, we are there with them here. So we'll give the coaching for the foundation, we'll give the coaching for intermediate, we'll give the coaching for the final year, and we also give the assistance for the articles. So students, okay, should not have any problem when they are joining with us here. And next thing, when they are going into the practical career here, even in the practical career also, like, see, what CA and CMA will be doing here, they will be practicing more on the financial, they do the audit of financial statements here, they'll go with the taxation matters here, they'll deal with the taxation matters of the clients here. So when you are becoming a CA and CMA, you have complete control over these core subjects here, like auditing, tax, accounting. In the whole world, okay, no one else can manage these subjects other than the CA and CMA here.
Yes, unless and until you have a good grip on the subject.
Exactly.
No matter you do CA or CMA, but in general, if you're doing any degree course also, like BCom, BBA, you need to have a good grip on this, so that like at least you are appointed as a finance or like auditor or accountant. Like, you need to have at least basics for that.
Yes. And say one more thing here, many students, okay, has a doubt here whether this course is expensive or not. Because see, when they see the demand of the CA course here, we have a high demand for the chartered accountants in the market here. So the students, they feel that this course is expensive. Let me clarify, this course is not expensive. CA and CMA course require comparatively low investment, but offer very high return in terms of career growth and in terms of salary. So you can say it is a high value, low investment professional path here. That's a very good combination for the students here.
So like what people are earning in a month, you can earn in like what people are earning in a year, you can earn in a month basically.
Anyhow, see, we don't compare on the money here, but of course we can say here you have very good opportunity based on your skills that you have obtained during these CA and CMA courses here. Of course, you can earn a good amount of money here, and whatever the amount you are investing, that you can recover in just 2 to 3 months of your salary here. That is for sure, we have this thing here. Okay.
Next question.
Something.
Okay, sir. So now let's just get into the other question.
Yes.
So what is the future scope of CA and CMA?
See, the future is extremely bright because every business needs financial experts, of course. So who will these financial experts? CA and CMA. Next, we have compliance and regulations that are increasing day by day. Our Indian government, they are making changes, and of course, okay, that is good for the country here. They are making so many changes at the parliamentary level here. So these compliance and these regulations, who will be up to date with all this corporate compliance and regulation? Of course, a chartered accountant. Recently, even the new income tax is also made here. So who will have the complete idea about this new tax system? Of course, okay, the new tax system will be known to the means not known here, like we can CA and CMA students, they can understand in a better way.
Yes.
So इसीलिए this compliance and regulation, these professionals will take care of it here. Next, demand for qualified professionals like CA, CMA, ACCA are increasing day by day. They are always in the high demand here.
Okay, sir. So, like, we are very much clear about what you have said us, and I hope students out there are also very clear and have a like good open mind about what course you want to take, and like what is the final message you want to give to the students out here, sir?
See, the final message that I want to give to the students is when you are coming to us, we'll ask you to go for integrated course where we are teaching CA, CMA along with the intermediate. It means like you are preparing for higher goal at an early stage here. So success become more achievable, pressure gets reduced, of course career becomes more successful. So at Tapasya we provide structure, learning, expert guidance here, proven result. This integrated program is not just education, it is a strong foundation for the students here, where they will be starting, instead of delaying the things, will start at an early stage here. So easily we are having this integrated course.
Okay, sir. So now let's just move to the next round, which is rapid
Yes.
fire. So it's going to be very interesting. Okay, sir. So CA or CMA, a tough or a smart choice?
Of course, smart choice with right guidance at Tapasya.
When should students start CA and CMA preparation?
Immediately after completing their 10th class, they should come us. If they start earlier, they can become CA, CMA without delay here. That too in the first attempt, that is what we are making sure here.
Integrated course burden or a benefit?
Pure benefit. It reduces the future pressure.
Okay. One biggest advantage of your program?
The program that we designed is, as I said, you 40% syllabus will cover in the first year, 60% of syllabus will cover in the second year. Perfectly planned.
Okay, that's great. CA and CMA subjects help in intermediate?
Yes, directly it strengthens the IP performance here. Because we have some common subjects like accounting, economics, and QA. This will boost up the knowledge. This will boost up the confidence even at the IP level also. Because here we'll be learning at a professional level.
Okay, what IP? After IP, what's next?
After IP exam, they'll have 40 to 45 days of revision session here, so that the student should be in exam ready mode. So we'll conduct test on daily basis here. Students clearly they'll have the complete idea about the examination pattern also during this revision classes here.
How often do students get tested?
During this first year and second year, we'll be conducting weekly test here, and once they complete this second year, we'll have 45 days of revision classes here. During this time, every week 2 exams will be conducting here, so that it will boost up the confidence.
Okay, sir. Your test pattern is based on what?
Of course, see, this test pattern a lot here. So whatever the exams we are conducting here, we will be conducting the exams based on the ICAI and ICMA model here. So the students, when they are seeing our question paper and the question paper of institute, that is CA and CMA institute here, it should remain same here, the same pattern, the same structure.
Okay, sir. So result speaks what?
Results at all level above pass percentage at the Tapasya. We are having very good percentage, average better than the all India level here. We have good passing percentage at Tapasya, which is far better at the average of India.
Okay, sir. CA and CMA, affordable or costly?
Low investment, high return. That is the only thing I want to say.
Future of CA and CMA?
Real world experience plus practical knowledge.
Okay, sir. One word for Tapasya program.
Structured, success, start early, become chartered accountant, or cost accountant early.
Okay, sir. For parents, safe choice?
Absolutely. Guided, monitored, result oriented. Only at Tapasya.
So, okay, let's just get in the conclusion. Final message in one line.
Start early, stay consistent, and success big.
Thank you, sir, for the great opportunity you have given
Thank
to
you.
the students to listen this thing. And yeah, so here we come to an end of the session. I hope you guys have enjoyed and got the idea of becoming CA and CMA. How
So-
you got to get structured here? Is it affordable or costly? And what you gonna do next?
So don't waste your time. Immediately come to us and join this course. Thank you.
Thank you.